Nissan X-Trail T30 Limited Edition, push start, manufactured 2001, registered 2002, limited edition, automatic transmission, mileage 171000, cool box, power shutter, power steering, power mirror, airbags, tire pressure monitoring system, DVR camera, lift kit has installed, brand new tires, price $4,975,000, no any money, urgent. Well-maintained home used car, genuine buyers are welcome, don't call time wasters and brokers, price can be slightly negotiable after inspection only. Please call 07112-62926 for more details. ANJANA. Please subscribe Anchorage LK.
Please subscribe Anchorage LK.